We've seen a lot of 3D cartoons as album covers. One would think it requires a 3D software to make all of this. Well, yeah. But what if there was a way of cheating this by making a 3D cartoon in a 2D software? Better yet, a free 2D software. That'd be dope, right? Well, let's try it out then. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel Third Gfx. Make sure you're wearing socks throughout the tutorial. Now let's get to it. We'll be using a free and open source software called Krita. I'll have the link to Krita's download in the description below. The first thing you gotta do is to plan and draw a sketch of how you want your 3D artwork to be. You can either draw it up digitally on Krita with a drawing pad, or just draw it up on paper, then take a snap and transfer it to your PC. Now that you got the first step done, move on to the second step, filling in the base. Open up a vector layer for this. Start filling in the shapes with a base color. I'm using the Bezier Curve tool for that. It's easier to adjust the shapes if you're drawing them on a vector layer. Make sure the fill is set to foreground color under the tool options. This will make the color you selected to be filled in whenever you use the Bezier Curve tool. I'm basically filling in on the body parts with base colors. Pink for the mouth, brown for the skin, and red for the clothing. We'll do more detailing later on. I only filled in one teeth, since we're just gonna duplicate it at the end. Now that you're done with the base colors, open up a clipping group on each body part so that you can start shading. Basically what a clipping mask does is to ensure that you can only shade inside the base color below, but only if you got that alpha locked. If not, then you don't get to see what you want. Use a spray paint brush to layer on the dark shadows and the highlights. I'd recommend you to open up a new layer for each shade and highlight so that you can adjust the colors later on. The more shading and highlights you add, the more your 3D cartoon looks a bit realistic. Do the same thing for all the body parts.
Hello? Hello.
Hello. Just wanted to take time and announce this week's our giveaway winner. Congratulations, bro. To enter the giveaway, you just gotta be subscribed to the channel. Make sure you comment on videos I post during the week so that you can be noticed. Hope you'll be the next person I'll be drawing. Back to adding shadows. For the pupil, just make shapes that'll make it look a little bit shiny. The process is basically repetitious. All you do is open up a clipping group on top of a base layer, slap a dark shade, a darker shade on top of that, a highlight, a lighter highlight on top of that, and adjust the opacities. Keep in mind, every shade or highlight has its own layer. For the mouth, I grouped everything inside it. The teeth, the tongue, but not the drool. And I also grouped the pupil inside the white part of the eye, just to make everything organized. Now for the hair, create a new layer for each strand or dreadlock. Then open up a clipping mask on each one of them and repeat the process. I started in the front and walked my way to the back. Keep in mind, dreadlocks at the back are packed at the bottom and the ones at the front are packed at the top, layer wise. please leave a like and share the video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you on my next video. Stay blessed.